We did some revision of tenses in the previous period, beta. In this passage also, there is an error related to tenses. So you have to find what is the error, what is the wrong word, and what is the correct word that should be there. Like this. I first saw the leper when I am crossing. It cannot be am because it is past tense. So when I was crossing is the correct answer. The first line is already done for you. Now these lines, first find the error and then the correct word. Try it. Raise your hands. This paragraph is not very clear, but I'm sure you are able to read it.
ऐसा मम्मी ऐसा मम्मी मेरे साथ बस एक ही बार हुआ था एक बार मुझे बता इधर चुईया है बहुत सारी मम्मी मैं आपके पापा की बिस्तर पे सोती हूँ ना वैसे उस दिन मैं कितना ज्यादा डर गई थी
बेटा ऑडियोज ऑफ, माइक्स ऑफ करिए अपने अपने. Those who finish, raise your hands. Okay, Priya, Anshika, and Mansi. After this, we'll play games. We will not do any grammar, no comprehension, nothing. Let's give them 1 more minute. Anshika, you have not given your name for NCC?
No, ma'am.
Why? Not interested? Hmm? Beta, you people are not interested. Now the fees, 10,000 is the fees, annual fee, it is waived off now. You don't have to pay a single rupee also. और कितना फैसिलिटी मिलेगा? कोविड में घर बैठे बैठे आपको सी लेवल का 1 ईयर हो जाएगा. Because of COVID, you're not going to school, so no camps, no fees. इससे अच्छा मौका I don't think you'll get ever, children. Why are you not going for it? Devansh, have you given your name for NCC?
No, ma'am.
क्या इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है क्या आप लोग? Hmm? Tell me, Vishal, are you interested?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बेटा ज्वाइन करो, गो अहेड. मैं आपका नाम दे देती हूँ उनको, गुलशन सर को. इससे अच्छा मौका नहीं मिलेगा बेटा. आपको बी लेवल सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एंड यू नो इन ऑल,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes beta, in all good colleges when you go for admission or you want to join the army, सब में आपके काम आएगा. This NCC certificate has such a important weightage is there for this. Normally the fees is 10,000 rupees and camp में भी जाना पड़ता है. But yesterday I saw on the group the message was posted कि the fees is waived off. आपको you don't have to pay a single rupee. अब भी आप लोग ज्वाइन नहीं करोगे तो सच में बुद्धू हो आप लोग. Okay, who is interested? Vivek, you said you are interested.
Am I?
Vishal wants to join. Okay, Vivek, what about you?
Ma'am, it is compulsory that if we join this year, then it is compulsory to join next year also.
बेटा नेक्स्ट ईयर 3-4 मंथ्स चलेगा तभी आपका बी लेवल होगा ना. इट इज 18 मंथ्स ये ईयर एंड वो वाले 5-6 मंथ्स उधर के हो जाएंगे. देन इट बिकम फायदा. अगर आप इनकम्प्लीट करोगे तो कुछ भी नहीं करना है. एनसीसी ज्वाइन करना है इस साल तो कुछ नहीं करना है. अगले साल अगर कैंप वैम्प लगेगा तो एनसीसी कैंप में जाना पड़ेगा आपको. टेंट वेंट लगा के वो जो रहते हैं और वो सब करते हैं, कैंप लगता है. बट बेटा द
Yes, ma'am.
वैल्यू ऑफ एनसीसी वैल्यू बहुत है. आज चेक करो नेट पे, whether it is a college admission or you go for a job, हर जगह आपको एनसीसी का वेटेज मिलेगा. बहुत अच्छा. एंड यू नो
मैम
इफ यू
सिर्फ उसी फील्ड में है या बाकी फील्ड्स में भी है?
सभी में, नॉर्मल कॉलेज एडमिशंस में, नॉर्मल कॉलेजेस में भी अगर आप एडमिशन के लिए जाते हो एनसीसी का वेटेज है. एंड यू नो वन थिंग, इफ यू हैव अ सी लेवल सर्टिफिकेट तो आपको आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स में रिटन एग्जाम नहीं देना पड़ता है. आप डायरेक्ट एसएसबी के लिए जाते हो. एसएसबी यू नो इंटरव्यू पार्ट. For forces, army, navy, air force, if you have a C level certificate of NCC, तो आपको written exam देना ही नहीं पड़ता है. You have to directly go for an interview. इससे अच्छा क्या है बताओ मुझे. Lakhs of students they sit every day, every year for CDS, NDA. आपको कुछ भी नहीं देना, आपको written exam ही नहीं देना होता है. You can directly go for interview. They call you directly for SSB. I wonder why you all are not interested. I think you don't know the
Ma'am, I
importance
have a
of it.
doubt.
Yes, बच्चे. Hmm?
Ma'am,
हाँ?
I am not in Bareilly. I am out of stations. Then what to do?
So tomorrow you will be able to come for enrollment. We just need you tomorrow when the enrollment is taking place. Only one day.
No,
बाकी तो
ma'am.
COVID में you don't have to come to school.
मैम इन्वॉल्वमेंट में क्या हो?
Enrollment में वो आपको देखेंगे height क्या है, eyesight ठीक है, हाथ पैर ठीक चल रहे हैं, normal things. That is what. Tomorrow is the enrollment process. Normally बेटा 10,000 rupees fee रहता है 1 year का. इस साल तो बिल्कुल free है आपको. What else you want? So there is one child who gave. Vishal, you told me na you are interested.
Ma'am, I also joined.
Yes,
Priya
ma'am.
na?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how many students are there?
Vishal, Priya, Anshika, what about you?
Ma'am, I'll think about it. I'll tell you by evening.
Beta, you should go. You have a good physique. You should go for NCC. आप कर लोगे तो directly you can go and join army. Only interview you have to give. What about these boys? क्या क्या
I
problem
will
है?
also tell it before मतलब after school.
मैसेज ड्रॉप करना बेटा. कल enrollment है. Okay? आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सिर्फ कल स्कूल जाना है. That is it. And you are so lucky. COVID year में कोई कैंप नहीं लगेगा, आपको कहीं जाना नहीं है, कोई फीस आपको पे नहीं करनी है. बैठे बैठे घर पे 1 साल का एनसीसी सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा. You all
Ma'am,
are so
how
lucky.
many students are have given their name?
I don't know, Gulshan sir and Kamini ma'am are in charge बेटा. I am तो just motivating you people क्योंकि I am shocked to see कि इतना अच्छा facility मिलने के बाद you people are not joining. You ask in other schools how much people want to join NCC because today you do one thing after the class, search करो. When you have a break, search on the importance or what value NCC has. And you will be amazed to see कि कितना weightage मिलता है आपको हर जगह, every field which you go, every college that you go, everywhere that you go, you'll get a weightage. And DU में admissions में कितना अच्छा weightage है NCC का. Children easily get admission, those who have NCC certificates. And सबसे अच्छा what I find is you don't have to give a written test if you want to join Army, Navy, Air Force. Directly you have to go for an interview. आप सोचो बेटा, lakhs of students sitting in CDS, ND, आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना, written देना ही नहीं है. You have to only prepare for interviews. Think over it, children. Okay. Anyways, Vishal and Priya is interested. Ayush Gupta, you have to go to school tomorrow in case you want to join NCC. What will be the time? I will post on the group today. सिर्फ कल जाना है for enrollment. That is it. Only tomorrow. That's all we need to do. Priya Gangwar. Okay. Mansi, Vivek. Vivek, why have you raised your hand? Finished
Excuse me,
this
ma'am.
thing or you? Hanji. Speak.
Ma'am, please give my name also.
Dhruv. Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
let me note down the names, beta. बच्चे जाके देखो. I'm seriously telling you. अभी when I have a break of 15 minutes after this period, make sure you search कि what are the benefits of NCC. And इतना मतलब you all are so lucky कि COVID time पे कुछ नहीं करना है. घर बैठे बैठे 1 साल हो जाएगा आपका. Otherwise you have to go and attend at least one camp or so. You have to pay also. Now let me write the name. I'll forward them to Gulshan sir. One is Vishal. Then we have Priya. Who else? Dhruv, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayush Gupta, are you interested? You've been sending a personal message because there's some problem in his mic. Okay, you have a fracture in your hand. But are you interested?
Yes, ma'am.
There is one child, Vishal, who sent a message. Vishal, you can go. That's it. Okay, no issues. If you have a fracture, they'll consider you. अभी तो just enrollment है ना. अभी तो there is no issue as such. Who
Okay, ma'am.
else? Who else? Vishal has given name. Priya, Dhruv. There was one more child who said, I don't know. Anshika, you said you let me know by today, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Ayush.
will there be camps and all?
Beta, there will be camps, but not in the COVID time. After COVID. You have to go for a camp, beta. एक camp में तो जाना ही पड़ेगा. And believe me, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You have those NCC scouts and guides. You get those nice uniforms. You must have seen last year we had NCC. छोटे बच्चों को देखा होगा. 9th, 10th, we are starting with the senior wing this year only, 11th class. Till last year we had NCC till class 10th. 11th we are starting this year only. बहुत मजा आता है कैंप में. You have a nice campfire. You are given some adventurous tasks to do. It's fun. I mean, it's very nice. चलो, I've written a few names. What about you people? दिवांश क्या बात है? वैसे तो इतने एक्टिव हो, not interested in NCC?
Ma'am, I will tell by the evening. Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, you all are good children. All of you are very responsive children. तभी मैं आप लोग को बोल रही हूँ. And Mansi, you are out of station?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, I'll talk to them. अगर वो लोग मान जाते हैं बाद में enrollment के लिए तो देखते हैं. Okay, what about Vivek? Vivek, are you interested?
यस मैम.
हाँ बेटा, join करो.
देखिए मैम, हम अभी
हम्म?
मैम अभी बरेली में नहीं है.
आप बरेली में अभी नहीं है, कब तक आएंगे?
यस मैम, एक हफ्ते में आ जाएंगे.
चलो, रिगार्डिंग मानसी एंड विवेक, आई विल टॉक टू द टीचर्स. अगर कुछ हो सकता है तो बात करके देखते हैं. ठीक है, आई विल टॉक टू द टीचर्स. डोंट वरी, लेट मी सी व्हाट बेस्ट आई कैन डू फॉर यू. कुछ करते हैं बेटा. यू विल मिस आउट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी ना, व्हिच शुड नॉट हैपन. इट्स वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी. चलिए, टेल मी द आंसर्स वन बाय वन. पहला बोलिए बेटा. Come on, speak out. What is the wrong word?
As I crossed this.
Ma'am, cross is wrong. Ma'am,
Yes,
crossed.
very good. Cross is wrong. It should be what?
Crossed.
Crossed.
Yes, it should be crossed.
Crossed.
Very good. Come to the next one.
Been climbing.
Ma'am, second also crossed.
Hmm. Tell me. Yes, yes. Tell me, tell me.
Ma'am, crossed.
Ma'am, begun is wrong.
Crossed.
So many answers are coming. Hmm? So many answers are coming. As I crossed the stream. ये तो हो गया. And next one. And began climbing the hill.
Began.
Yes,
Began
began. Very good. Began. We are going in past tense. Na? Began climbing the hill. The grunting and chattering. Come on, what is wrong?
Increased.
Very good.
Increased.
Very good. In place of increases, it should be increased. That means the entire thing, it's past tense only. Okay. Next, beta. As though the langurs was trying.
Were trying.
Were trying, because it is langurs, that is plural. So langurs were trying to warn me of some hidden danger. The tiger was not looked towards.
Looking. Yes,
Looking.
very good. Look is wrong. It should be looking.
Looking.
But it must have dashed my presence.
Might.
Might have.
Might have, no. We are going in past tense. See,
Would
there is a
have.
verb which... No. Must have sensed my presence. There is a word which is wrong.
Sensed.
Sensed.
Yes, very good. It should be sensed my presence. Yes. It slowly turned its head and looked down at me.
Looked.
Very good. It's looked down. I have disturbed the animal in its quest.
Had.
Yes, had disturbed the animal in its quest for food and I felt sorry. So this is entirely in past tense, beta. Pura ka pura past tense. Come on, let's do quickly. As I crossed the
Feel.
stream, tell me. No, it's felt only. Past tense is only there. There's nothing wrong in the last one. As I crossed the stream, what should be the answer?
Crossed.
Crossed the stream. And begun climbing. What is the correct answer?
Climbing.
Began. The chattering increases.
Increased.
Increased. And the langoose was trying.
Were trying.
Okay. The tiger was not looked towards me.
Not looking.
Looking.
Not looking. But must have sensed my presence.
Sensed.
Sensed.
Yes. It slowly turned its head and looked down at me.
Looked.
Very good. I have disturbed the animal
I had.
Had.
I had disturbed the animal. Excellent. Before I go on to the next passages, I'll give you time. You can share some words what we were doing yesterday. Come on, who is going to do? Next passage we'll do later. Chaliye, who will tell me that difficult word, that word game that we were playing yesterday? Who will give the first word? Priya, you want to give?
May I, ma'am?
Yes, beta, anyone. Please start. Start. Do it on the screen. Children, you can guess letters. She'll tell you, and then we'll see what the word is. She'll also tell you the meaning.
It means to claim or seize without justification.
Guess the letters, children.
C.
Keep filling the letters, beta.
C is wrong.
Okay.
T.
More guesses, children.
R.
Ma'am, T.
Tell her, beta, her. She will write whether it is correct or wrong, whatever. Come on, do it, beta. Okay.
G.
We have reached very close.
Ma'am, G.
G.
Arrogant.
Give her the letter. She'll tell.
Ma'am, arrogant.
Yes.
Good. You got it right. Very good. Who is coming up with the next word? Very interesting. Come on, next. If you find it difficult to write, you can speak. She'll write.
I have another.
Okay, tell. Otherwise, I'll start doing this error detection only. If you want me to do this, then give words. Otherwise, I'll go back to grammar again.
Okay, so it means lasting a very short time, that is short lived or transitory.
Come on, guesses. Speak out any letter. You can easily guess.
A.
No vowels are already written.
F.
V.
Speak out, speak out.
F is wrong, V is wrong.
Oh no.
G.
R.
G is wrong.
B.
R.
M.
R is correct.
M.
P.
V is wrong.
S.
B for boy.
T.
M is, just a minute. M is correct. Then
One by one,
who
beta,
spoke?
one by one.
B. B for boy.
B, wait. B is wrong.
T.
E.
T is wrong.
One at a time.
E is already written.
Come on, more guesses.
C.
L.
L.
C is wrong. Now L. L was correct. You just have 2 chances left. Anybody?
H.
H. Okay.
You have to simply make guesses, beta. Come on.
Last. One blank left and 2 chances.
P.
Sorry?
P.
P. Done.
Okay. Now no more chances left.
Ma'am, 2 chances left, but they have guessed the word. It's ephemeral.
Acha, they've guessed it. Ephemeral. Okay, fine, fine. Good. You become trained now. Good, children. Good. Come on. We still have time for one more. Who is coming up with the next one? If you find it difficult to write, you can tell her she'll write.
Anybody?
Want to give a word or should I go back to grammar again? Think of
Ma'am,
it.
I'm giving.
Okay, give soon, give soon.
If there's a problem, then shall I write?
Okay, she's trying. Let her try. Others also, beta, if you feel there's a problem in writing, you can tell her. Like you can say A dash dash, she'll write. Okay, you can tell her the letters, beta.
Anshika, you can write. I'm telling the word.
You simply tell her, huh? She'll write.
A dash A
Okay.
dash dash one more time. I 2 2 times dash. Only single I will come. Yeah, done.
Its
It
meaning
means eagerness.
You can guess, beta, letters.
R. Is R correct?
Yes, it's
Just tell
correct.
it is correct. If it is correct, she will fill herself.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Which blank
Then
she has to fill, just tell
Before
her.
I. It will come before I.
Okay, fill before I.
okay. D.
Wrong.
S.
No guesses.
Wrong. Yes, C is correct. After A, after second A.
Which
Means
D.
letter?
before R. Before R. C.
C.
D is correct.
No, D is wrong.
H.
H is wrong.
M.
Wrong.
Guess, beta.
S.
H is wrong.
S.
N is also wrong.
S. S.
Beta, what meaning did you tell? What meaning did you tell? Speak again.
Ma'am, eagerness. Eager, to be eager for something.
Okay, fine.
L.
S.
L is correct after A.
N.
N is wrong.
Okay, only one chance is left. And 2 blanks.
Should I speak? Am I allowed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, sure.
It is TY.
It's
Fill
correct.
the blanks. Fill the blanks, Anshika. What is the word? Who had given this word? Speak out the word.
Ma'am, I, Priya. I mean,
Yes. Yes, Pita. Speak out the word and tell them the meaning again so that they remember it always.
okay.
I
So
want
this
you to
is
do it.
alacrity, which means eagerness.
Very good. So we'll continue with the game, no doubt. You can think of more words. I still have one more period with you. Another 1 minute, this meeting would get over. But by the time you have a break, think of some new good words. Because in the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
period, we'll do this. You can think of some new good words. C section is also going to join us in the next C section, though we don't have many active children except for Akshat and all. But